Okay, everyone. Oh, this is my first time being outside. I can take this off since Monday when I first got COVID. My car hasn't been started since Monday. It's freezing. It's like 40 degrees, but I haven't been outside, so. My unlock button. That's not good. Looks like my remote's dead. That's funny. I guess my remote hasn't been unlocked in so many days that it's just dead now. That's great. Uh-oh. Well, there's no interior lights either. Let me turn my flash on. Okay, well, I hate to say this, folks, but we might have a dead battery. The dash cam's off and everything. I'm willing to suspect the battery's dead. No trunk light either. Yeah, I think the battery's dead, folks. This isn't good. Turn that off. The wipers are set to on. And it's not the dash cam because the dash cam shuts itself off. Yeah, I think the battery in this thing is fucking dead. Oh, the chime's real quiet. Oh, the wipers are trying to move. Yep. All right, we're gonna have to get Mom's car out here to jump this bitch. I was today years old when I learned that the battery, or the trunk button, is battery operated. I didn't know that, but apparently it is. I have to get my this, because in this very well-designed car, the battery is under a support beam that would, of course, require a 13mm socket, so I'm going to do that. Okay, the video light is actually going to help me here. These are 2-year-old cables. Okay. This is why you have to undo the support beam. You go red to dead, then you realize that the car's not pulled out far enough. Great. It's amazing. Oh, it's warm in here. Why this car ticks is beyond me. Sorry for the crap camera angles, this is what you get. It's funny, I had to use this car, my car, to jump that car right there, or this Toyota. Now, oh, get the fuck off there. Other way around. Except that this battery sucks. Then, hook the negative up. Sit the fuck right there. Metal, metal. Find a fucking ground screw. Oh, I see one. Is that metal? That's metal. Yep. If only it would fucking stay. Yeah. Stay, bitch. Did something pop off over there? I figured that shit would happen. Motherfucker. I had a damn feeling. Can't jiggle this bitch around that much. Got him. Now, theoretically, yep, we got the trunk light back. Let's see if the keyless entry is going to work again. It's just enough to turn the lights on. Well, it was. The dash cam's back. Nope. Had enough. Had enough to move the wipers. Can't turn the headlights on. Make sure my connections are good. There's spark. The trunk light would come on for a second. Let me see if I can hit the brake lights. Let me see if the lights come on. Ouch. Oh. Got full powered brake lights. Oh, headlights are on. That's a good sign. Oh, shit. Yep. That's a good sign, folks. Come on. Come on. Come on, Sherry. You can do this, baby. Yes! Yes! Good job, Sherry. You fucking did it. Dash cam should come back on. I don't want that shit. Good job, Sherry. Ooh, I need gas bad. Maybe it was just that connection was loose. That could have been it. Good job, Sherry, honey. I'm proud of you. Okay, we're gonna disconnect them battery terminals. And then, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect that linkage right here. I'll do that in the garage. Awesome. Interior light should come back on now. Yep. Try not to hit the car behind me. All right, maybe this is tempting fate. Shit. Yep. I figured. Fuck. Had a feeling. Son of a bitch. Fuck. The battery died again. Why was I so stupid? Oh yeah, it'll be a good idea. Let me fucking Turn it off before it gets started. Jesus, I'm dumb as fuck sometimes. Fuck. Okay. Oh, that's funny. The brake light has just enough juice. I'm sorry, Sherry. I overestimated your power. I know you're a Chevy. Forgot. Door lock's trying to work. Oh, whoops. The dome light's trying. Oh, I guess I just got this key smart. I guess I gotta tighten the little bolt a little bit more so the keys don't fall out like they're doing right now. All right, gonna have to go take two here. And yes, I am in fact gonna drive the RAV4. Wow, that thing was spewing something fierce. I am gonna drive the RAV4 with the fucking hood up. Good idea or not, I don't know. Gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna have to get real close to that thing. Oh. This is an interesting little... That's gonna have to do it. Okay. We're gonna have to give this bitch take number 2, and then I'm gonna have to drive her around the... Whoa. Damn. I'm gonna have to drive this thing around the block a little bit. It needs gas bad too, which probably doesn't help. Hopefully the cables can reach. That's my only hope. Okay. This is why I didn't disconnect it, because I learned from my mistakes. Had to fix that shit. Red, it's gonna pop off. Or not. As long as I can connect it to this. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Thing was getting warm for a second. Okay. Interior lights. She's also on a hill, which doesn't help. All right. Okay. Don't want that to touch. Which is caught. I need to screw that support bar back in. He doesn't know how to drive. He's bad at driving. All right. Oh, I just whacked the mirror. It's probably gonna fall off now. All right, let me screw that back into place, and we will go. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.